You will love the features of this 2022 Audi RS Q8. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Enjoy the drive in big, bold, premium style in this handsome Q8. Sweeping lines, crisp handling, and loaded with top-quality features, this sophisticated luxury vehicle brings a sense of delight to every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, power driver seat, heated front seat. Feel eager for the drive every time you take the wheel of this impressive Q8. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.